In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore system navigation bars or tools on your Android smartphone. As you can see, I have my smartphone here, but the problem is the go back or the home buttons are missing. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10, but this process should be the same to other Android smartphones. Now to get started, all you need to do is to go to settings and open it. From settings, scroll down until you see the home settings, and it is here under the home screen. Tap on it to open. Then look for the system navigation option, which is this, and you can see the current system navigation system is under gestures. And to change this, just select the buttons, and as you can see, the buttons will be restored on our home screen. And immediately I tapped on it, the buttons have been restored, and now we are good to go. And therefore you can now start using these buttons to navigate your smartphone. So if you're missing the navigation buttons here, follow the same process to add them on your smartphone. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.